Hi guys, it's Joe. So I'm back. I have an unboxing today. Just a quick video. I had gone to Etsy, and the Etsy store is Notions from Nani. I'll put the link to her store in the description box. And I wanted to buy Webster's Pages Traveler's Notebook. Sorry about that. That's my little boy in the back. So this one is the color Green Suede. And it measures 5 1/4 by 8 1/4, and so this is how it came in the package. It was sealed as a brand new traveler's notebook, but I already had taken out the plastic, and then this is her invoice, and she attached it to like a doily die cut. So this is the box, brand new. It's Webster's Pages. And here it is. Comes with a little vellum insert there. Really pretty. I'm sure I could reuse that. And then here is the traveler's notebook, protected by this little foam strip. The box. And this is what it looks like. Has a little leather little tab there. And this is the inside, and it comes with one insert, and it has hello debossed in it. And yeah, and then it has, take that out, it has a little pen strap, and then it has four what is this, 4 bindings cords. And this is how it looks. The color is green, but it looks more like kind of like teal to me, so I really like it. If it was a dark, if it was more like a green color, then I wouldn't have gotten it. My friend Sandra has the mustard one, and I really like that color, but I didn't want to get the same as her, and I like this green/teal color. Really pretty. So I can't wait to fill this up and play with it. And also, I ordered this on the 9th, and it got to me today. Today's the 13th. She started processing the order the next day, so it was really fast shipping, and it came in a good envelope here. It was just regular USPS, and nice good padding for the shipping. And yeah, so that is my new traveler's notebook. Can't wait to start playing with it and decorating it and making inserts. And again, this is from the Etsy store Notions from Nani. It's listed on her site at $31.99, but she was having a sale. I'm not sure if it's still going on, 20% off. So I got this for like $25 and some change. So I did a Google search, and I think hers was the cheapest price that I could find. So I thought I would buy it from her. But yeah, so that is the unboxing, and thanks for watching. Bye.